What's up, guys? It's John Muscarello from Side Hustle Experiment. Welcome to the channel if you're new. If you're a subscriber, thanks for coming back. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm just going to kind of give you a recap of what's going on, how things have been going. I've been making a lot of how-to videos lately, so I figured I'd give you a little recap update. So yesterday, we shipped out our biggest dud shipment. So basically duds, for anyone new, those are the books that are no good for Amazon, eBay, buyback companies, all that stuff. We got 24 pallets sent out. It was our first time loading a truck. I did it with a forklift. The driver used our pallet jack, and it actually went really smooth. It took about, I don't know, a half hour, 45 minutes. Not bad at all. I actually thought it'd be a little more difficult than it actually was, but it turned out to be really easy. And it was great timing because tomorrow we get a delivery of our biggest delivery yet. It's gonna be 30 Gaylords of books, supposedly. The guy said that he threw in a couple extras, so I'm not exactly sure how many. These are from a new supplier that we are trying out. I know I said in the last couple of videos I want to do OA and wholesale. I'm keeping it real with you guys. I do still want to do that, but I did verbally commit to him that I would buy these, so that's what I'm doing. And I made a whole video about that, so check that out. Yeah, gotta be a person of your word. And like I said, I want to be totally transparent here. I haven't really taken I haven't taken any steps for wholesale or OA in the last 2 weeks. Been really busy. I usually use Saturday to catch up on things, and the last 2 Saturdays and this Saturday I have just been traveling, doing friends and family stuff. So we're looking forward. I love doing that stuff, but yeah, it really puts pressure on the week for me anyway. Probably means I need to hire another person, but whatever. So looking forward to getting the 30 Gaylords tomorrow. I talked to the truck driver. It was really interesting. It was awesome. They were supposed to pick up the load tomorrow, but they ended up picking it up today. So it's actually gonna come early in the morning. Usually if you order freight or getting stuff delivered, it doesn't come. Probably the earliest you get is like 9 or 10, most likely around afternoon. A lot of pickups are done in the morning and then drop-ups in the afternoon. So we'll be able to scan at least 4 or 5 Gaylords, which is awesome. But they will be double stacked. So I've never unloaded a truck before of double stacked Gaylords. So we will see how this goes. Let me know if you have any tips in the comments. I kind of have an idea. I mean, I guess you would just go a little slower than you normally would with other ones. Obviously, they weigh more. It should be interesting. My helper will be in the truck, maneuvering the Gaylords of books, and I will be operating the forklift. And yeah, or maybe we'll flip it around if it doesn't go that great. I don't know. But I'm sure it'll be fine. So that's interesting. eBay, we got a ton of eBay done. I got 20 listings scheduled yesterday. I have another 13 that we just drafted today, and I just took pictures of before I left. So I have to get those done. We're almost at $30,000 in active listed inventory, which is exciting. Yeah, still trying to figure out eBay a little bit. Like, is all the stuff we're listing eventually gonna sell? Because we've been listing a lot. Some of the stuff is longer tail. It was some of the ones like we're kind of taking like long shots on. Not really sure, but we've been doing a lot of, I've started to do a lot more tracking to how much time we're spending doing this. You know, how much we potentially could make. I mean, I guess it makes sense, but like to get a good batch of eBay like research done and a bad batch takes about the same time. The crappy part about the bad batch is that, yeah, you don't find much. So like this last batch, I think the count was researched 110 things. I'm having the helper track, like he just makes a tally mark every time he looks something up. So they did 110 things and we only made 13 listings. That doesn't mean that, you know, there was some stuff that would have been a good fit, but it wasn't in good shape, or it was just kind of like none really sold. And like, I'm just trying not to waste a lot of time taking pictures on stuff that doesn't have comps, unless it's like super rare, and that's why it doesn't have recent comps. So yeah, the upstairs, if you've ever seen the upstairs, look at a couple videos. I'm actually doing a warehouse tour video, so be on the lookout for that. I know a lot of people have been asking for that. I actually shot most of it, I think yesterday. I just have, actually I put it together and uploaded it. I still have to do like the thumbnail and all that stuff. But yeah, be on the lookout for that. So yeah, you'll see the upstairs, but it's getting really full between Merchant Fulfilled, eBay. Yeah, Merchant Fulfilled is starting to really eat up a lot of shelf space. We almost have, we're A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So we have 7 shelves almost. One of those shelves is plus, actually no, we have 8 shelves plus a media shelf, so almost 9 shelves with books on them. And yeah, it's starting to like not get stressful, but it's just like, wow, like there's a lot of stuff here. Do I want to be doing this at like this scale? You know, it was like great to like do eBay and find all this stuff, and it's exciting, but like again, like you kind of run into the problem where like it doesn't sell that fast. Like you have to be able to store it. Like, so the way to fix that really is like, obviously you got to try stuff and see, like, you know, I track when we list it, when we sell it, and like, yeah, I already have some things in my head like that we're not going to put aside anymore, we're not going to sell anymore. But yeah, you don't know it until you try it. But yeah, we'll see. I mean, once you start getting full, one thing you do is like up your threshold. So like our threshold right now is we're not listing anything under $30 on eBay plus shipping. But if it starts to get super full, like, then we're gonna change that to 50 and then go up from there, and see what happens. I am debating whether or not to do eBay, and kind of, or at least try it for a month and see what happens. I might rearrange the store to have like something listed every day. So like stuff that's been up there for like 6 months, I would relist it and make sure a listing's going live every day, just to keep the store like moving. That won't really do anything, but it will still keep the store active and hopefully stuff selling through, or at least some stuff selling. This way, if I just don't totally abandon it and it goes stale, and then there's a lot that you have to do to like bring it back. But instead, use that time to really focus on making the move to wholesale or OA. And yeah, I'm pretty much leaning towards wholesale at this point. OA, I almost feel is the same as books, where like you're constantly chasing, and that's fine. And like you probably find a lot of good products doing OA that you can get at wholesale prices, so that's a good thing to like do. But I really am looking to have a business where I can just place orders. I don't know, like life just changes, and like now, like before, like I just wanted to work. Now like you have to work hard and everything, and I get that, and like you got to put in your time, but I think there's a smarter way to do it. And yeah, I don't think building a ginormous book business is the smartest, like Merchant Fulfilled way to do it. I know people do. I'm not saying anything bad about them. That's just not what I want to do. Like I want to be able to work from anywhere, just be placing orders on a laptop, be able to see family, friends, maybe even have a prep center where I'm sending stuff. So we will see, but it is very like overwhelming to like make that switch. Like anytime that like you have something that's generating money and you have to like cut it off to do something else, you know, it's a little painful, it takes a little bit. I am debating whether or not to hire someone to really help the helper go through the books, and then I would essentially just be kind of doing eBay stuff, and I would spend most of my time trying to figure out wholesale. But I don't know if it's like counterintuitive, because obviously I want to get into wholesale, so does it make sense to like train someone to help the helper? I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does it make sense? Because like I don't want to like put in the time and then be like, all right, we're doing wholesale. But now that I'm talking out loud, I think it's gonna take a little time anyway to do the wholesale and get that up and rolling. So yeah, it might be worth the investment. Help is hard to find right now. I do have a list up. I think I've only gotten 2 candidates. So I might just create a whole new posting. We'll see what happens there. But yeah, a lot of exciting stuff going on. Like I said, getting the biggest shipment. It's really funny. Like I would kill to be in this moment before the restock limits happen. You know, I probably would have hired at least another person by now. My current supplier, now he has more books, so like we'd be flooded with books and things would really be rocking and rolling. But you know, things change and I kind of have to adapt to that, and I'm just doing my best to do that. So just rolling with the punches right now. As always, I will keep you guys updated on what's going on. Yeah, what are you guys up to? Let me know what you think in the comments. Is your business model changing? What kind of content do you want to see? I am going on, I have like a 4 or 5 hour drive tomorrow, and then on the way back. So I'm going to try to make some content for you guys. So let me know what you want to see. And please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. And I will see you guys in the next video.